Today's event is to provide an opportunity for people to come and have a conversation about things that might be concerning them about health and social care as winter approaches. It's also, because of the fact that we've brought health professionals and social care professionals into the room, an opportunity to join those conversations up and for members of the local community to hear about the service improvements that are being made in health and social care in relation to emergency care or in relation to supporting effective and safe discharge, for example.
I'm actually really positive, and it's been really helpful to listen to people's experiences. We've actually had some examples of people that have come through our service. We've had an individual that actually went into our Bonamine House step-down beds. And we've also had a gentleman that's recently been through our reablement service in the community following a hospital admission. So in fact, we've had very positive feedback about the help and care that they've had, and both individuals regained their independence.
So it's been really helpful to be able to hear people's feedback about what's working and what isn't in terms of urgent and emergency care. I think being able to highlight some of the big improvements that we've been making at Swansea Bay and hope to continue making has been really helpful. I think consistently communication seems to be a challenge, whether that's between healthcare and social care or whether it's between teams on a ward or nurses and doctors, and I think that's something that we know we don't always get right, and I think hearing it firsthand is something I'll be able to take back.
Actually, I'm so glad I came today because the topics were very relevant. We run community groups called Chai and Chat, and each week we try to invite different speakers from the health board or public health or anybody else with useful information they want to share. So today I met the emergency services team, I met the immunization team, I met those who deal with hospital discharge, and I also met different types of people, but I could see where I stand because I am like that bridge where I can use this information to be delivered to the groups that I run. So I'm very grateful. I've made beautiful networks, which I'll follow up. And actually, some of the people have been to our Chai and Chats. They have spoken and shared information.
It's very important to have events like this, to listen to everybody, to let people express themselves, to share their opinions, and let their voices be heard. Because we want to listen to the voices, and we want to listen to every single voice if possible, to then be able to use their voices for the good, for the future of health and social care services in Wales then.